leprosy had a type of stigma. Like this hospital here, it was known for treating leprosy patients. There were also skin patients already coming at that time, but it was a bit of a isolated thing. And this is what makes me very happy, that this has completely changed. We are very happy that for leprosy control, the country has made enormous progress. And maybe this is now also the right time to say that Pakistan is the first country in Asia now which is allowed to go for zero leprosy. What always impresses me, this is the hospitality, that people are generally so nice with foreigners. And I'm very happy that this has stayed on, that has not changed. I have got the German Cross of Merit, and I have got Sitare-e-Quaid-e-Azam in Pakistan. I feel I have two homes. I'm at home here, and I'm also still at home in Germany. I always say that my brain switches when I arrive at the respective airport. When I'm arriving in Islamabad, my brain turns again into the Pakistan mode, and when I am arriving in Frankfurt, then my brain switches to the German mode, and I feel this is good too.